In here, we are going to discuss the reverse integer problem. So, what will happen? We will have an input, say minus 321, and the output that we would need is minus 123. Similarly, if I have 51, I would need 15 as the output. Now, this is very much doable in Python. If I have a string, I can uh, is I have an integer, I can convert that to a string, and I can reverse this string using this construct, which is, and this would be my new value. So my new value would be this. But uh, we can we can possibly do this. We can convert this to a string and reverse it. But what I need to understand here is if there's a better way to at doing this. So I will have a variable called final. I will also have something called counter. I will have a remainder, a quotient, and the number itself. So to start with, I will just take the absolute value. So let's dry run the example minus 321. So I'll simply take the absolute value to this, which is going to be 321. Now 321. Now since 321 is like it's greater than 100 and it is less than 1000, so the counter value here is going to be 2. Okay, because it's in hundreds, so counter value is 2, number is 321. So to initialize this with 2, number is 321, and quotient and remainder are currently 0, final is also 0. Now what I'll do, I'll just divide this thing by 10. So I'll get 32 here, and remainder I'll get 1. And final, which is I'll just add this to final. So 0 uh, remainder into 10 to the power 2, which is 100. Now I'll move on. Now my n becomes 32. So this is 32. I'll again divide this by 10, which will give me 3. My remainder is going to be 2. So I'll just again, and I'll also decrease the counter by 1. So my counter now becomes 1. So 10 to the power 1 into remainder, which is 2, plus final. Final is 100. So this will be 120. This will be 120. Now quotient becomes 3. Sorry, number becomes 3. Quotient, remainder now is 3. Quotient is 0. Now since quotient is 0, this is our stopping condition. We stop here. Remainder is 3. So I'll just add, and now this becomes 0. So I'll just add 3 into 10 to the power 0, which will give me 123. And this was the number that we were looking for. But now there's one thing, it's negative. So now I'll just check if my original number, which was say original number, which was minus 321, if it's less than 0, I will just simply multiply minus 1 to this number, minus 1 into 123. And if it's less than 0, and if it's greater than 0, I'll just keep it as it is. So since it's less than 0, I will just multiply it with minus 1, and this is going to be my final number. And this is how we are going to solve for this problem. So I hope this is clear, and if you have any questions, you can post those in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.